Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Culinary Master. I am Jalaja. In this video, I will show you how to prepare your daily use milk at home in a healthy, natural and cost-effective way. Prepare fresh homemade milk that's free from preservatives and chemicals. Whether you are looking for a healthier lifestyle or an alternative to packaged milk, this recipe is easy, nutritious and perfect for everyday use. Many people feel like their day doesn't even start unless they have tea or coffee first thing in the morning. I am one of them. Are you like that too? But these days we keep hearing everywhere that even milk from reputed dairies may not be safe to drink. It really makes us worried about our health. Let's take a step towards better health by preparing almond milk right in our own homes. Here I am taking 150 grams of almonds. From this we can prepare approx 2 liters of milk. There is no need to worry that almonds are too expensive. By using about 15 to 20 almonds a day, you can prepare enough milk for one day. Soak almonds in water for 7 to 8 hours or overnight. 1 kg of almonds enough for a family for 1 month. If we think about it for a moment, we realize that among all living beings, only humans continue to drink milk even after infancy, and that too the milk of another animal. This milk is not only tasty and nutritious, but it's also very close in taste to regular dairy milk. With this milk, we can prepare tea and coffee and also use it in healthy smoothies, chia pudding, cakes, and kheer. After soaking for 8 hours, we need to remove their skin. The skin contains a natural chemical called tannin, which helps to protect the almond from pests. However, when it enters our body, it can hinder the absorption of nutrients. For that, pour hot boiled water over them. This makes it easy to peel off the skin. Since it is low in carbs, it also helps with weight management and cardiac health. The vitamin E and proteins in it helps to support hair growth and also helps keep our skin healthy and glowing. Now it's been 10 minutes since we added the boiled water. You can see how easily the skin can be removed. Doing all this requires both time and patience. If we want good health, patience is definitely necessary, right? This is very beneficial for those who have a dairy milk allergy. Now let's grind the soaked almonds into a paste in a blender. For 1 measure of almonds, we need 4 measures of water. This way we can get milk with a consistency similar to dairy milk. The almond paste is ready. Now let's add 4 parts of water to it and blend it once again. Now the creamy almond milk is ready. Let's strain it using a cloth or a strainer. Don't waste the almond residue left on top. It's rich in fiber. You can mix it with roti dough or use it in milkshakes. The prepared almond milk can be stored in a clean bottle in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. There is no need to boil it. This is a perfect diet choice for those who go to the gym and follow a vegan lifestyle. This milk should not be overboiled. You can just heat it well. See, if you boil it too much, there is a chance it may split like this. Once prepared, there is no need to boil or reheat. Shake it well before use and come, let's first learn how to make coffee using this. Heat the milk well and then add the coffee decoction to it. Pour the heated almond milk over it. Our delicious and healthy coffee is ready. Come, let's prepare tea as well. Add tea powder to boiling water and let it brew well. Then add the almond milk. By straining it, we can enjoy a tasty cup of tea. Now, let's see how to make a breakfast smoothie using almond residue. Let's add chopped banana and oats soaked for 2 hours into a blender. This smoothie gives feeling of fullness. We can easily skip our breakfast and it also helps in reducing body weight. Banana acts as a natural sweetener. There is no need to add sugar or honey. Add the almond residue and for extra taste add prepared almond milk and blend it together. Now a healthy breakfast smoothie is ready. By preparing nut milk like this, we can make plant-based milk at home. It helps in maintaining heart health and supports weight management. It also helps us stay away from chemicals and hormones that are often given to cows. Since it can be made at a lower cost compared to regular milk, everyone can adopt it and take a step towards better health. In my next videos, let's see how we can make yogurt using this milk. If you truly found this video useful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let's meet again in the next video. Thank you.